How to trade stocks and indices on Libertex. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Once logged in, tap on the market section from the bottom bar to access all available trading instruments. Next, select the stocks and indices categories to see a list of available assets. Browse through the stocks of companies or global indices you want to trade. You can view details like current price, historical performance, and market trends before making a decision. Before placing a trade, check the chart and apply indicators such as moving averages, RSI, or Bollinger Bands to analyze price movement and identify potential trading opportunities. Once you are ready, tap Buy if you expect the price to rise or Sell if you anticipate it will fall. Enter the trade amount and if necessary, set stop loss or take profit levels to manage risks. Confirm your trade to open the position, which will then appear in the trade section where you can monitor or close it at any time. Now you know how to trade stocks and indices on Libertex. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.